Today, we'll be taking a look at the door strike on this Whirlpool front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and open the door. Now, inside the door, you'll see right here is our door strike. The door strike, what it does is when your door closes, it slides into your actual door lock and causes it to latch to hold the door closed. It also tells it that the door is closed in order for the unit to turn on. So the main reasons why you'd be replacing this is if it is broken, causing the door to not stay closed, or it could be snapped off somewhere on this plastic to where it's not reading inside the door switch. If this is happening, this is going to need to be replaced. Now, in order to replace it, there are two T15 screws that are on it that have to be taken out. At this point, you will pull out on the top, slide up, and set your strike to the side. When installing a new strike, we will put the bottom portion in first. It slides into a slotted area, and then you have a hook on the top that presses it in the top. Then we're going to get our screws. Well, let's install the first one. Not too tight because you are going into plastic. Get those in there. You'll notice that the door strike is still loose. This is fine. Make sure that the door closes, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.